Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to your guide for making incredible vegan ramen broth. Many think you need meat for a rich ramen, but that's simply not true. We can achieve incredible depth and umami using just plants, creating a truly satisfying bowl. It's all about layering those savory flavors, and it's easier than you might imagine. Let's dive into the core components that make all the difference. To build our umami foundation, we start with kombu, a dried sea vegetable. Just a small piece simmers gently, releasing incredible savory notes. Next, dried shiitake mushrooms are absolute stars. Their rehydrating liquid and the mushrooms themselves contribute a powerful, earthy richness. Finally, miso paste, added at the end, rounds out the broth with fermented depth and a beautiful complexity. Beyond the umami, fresh aromatics elevate our broth. Minced garlic and sliced ginger provide a vibrant, warm spiciness that awakens the senses. Adding quartered onions, a leek, and even a few carrots contributes a subtle natural sweetness, balancing out the savory notes. These vegetables slowly cook down, infusing the water with their delightful essence, creating a truly inviting aroma. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with plenty of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, letting it cook for around 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, we want a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, which keeps the broth clear and bright. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the solids to get every ounce of that delicious liquid. After straining, it's time to perfect your broth seasoning. Start with a good quality soy sauce for salinity and umami. A splash of mirin adds a subtle sweetness, while a touch of sake can deepen the flavor even further. Taste as you go, adjusting until it's perfectly balanced for your liking. Your rich, aromatic vegan ramen broth is now ready to transform into an incredible meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.